Hi, my name is Nadia. I'm a stitching instructor. I'm making videos for the beginners and for those who wants to learn. In this video, I'm going to teach you about the Denim Fabric Butterflies. With denim, I'm using wool tweed fabric, which is strong and thick like a denim. Let's get started the video. For this, we need some supplies, a scale, different size and different colors of zips, thread and needle. I'm using this kind of thread. If you don't have this, then you can use any kind of which you have. A pen, lighter, glue, scissors, measuring tape, old jeans. This is wool tweed fabric as strong as denim. We will make a butterfly with this also. I'm using this scissors as well because denim is a thick fabric and it will help me to cut well. I'm taking a piece of cloth of this jeans. Take a measurement first. 8 inches length and width should be 3 inches. I'm making a small size butterfly, but if you want to make a big butterfly, then you can increase the width. Length would be remain same, that is 8 inches. Make a mark and draw a line with the help of scale. Mark opposite side also. Now cut it with the help of scissors. Remove this side also. Cut it out, extra fabric. Now take a scale and draw a line in the center. Take a thread and needle and sew it on the center line. Do it like this way in order to make it a shape of a butterfly. Tie a knot on the back side of this butterfly. Almost butterfly is ready. Now I'm going to make antennas and the body of butterfly. with the help of a zip. I'm using black color zip. If you want to use any other color like dark blue color, it's up to you. 2 inches long body and 2 inches long antennas are okay for big and small butterflies. You can apply this measurement on both sides. Now paste it with the help of glue. Now your denim fabric butterfly is ready. There's another way to make a butterfly's antennas as same as original. If you are young or a beginner, this part of my video must be done under an adult supervision. Separate the fabric from the zip. 2 inches long antennas and 2 inches long body of butterfly. Take a lighter and burn the extra fabric from the zip carefully. Heat is molding the shape of a zip, and now it look like a original butterfly's antennas. I already made a different colors and different fabrics butterfly. This is wool tweed fabric butterfly. Some are big and some are long. You can use these little pretties in so many ways to accessorize and decorate. You can make clips, hairbands. You can paste these butterflies on your frocks, waistline of your frocks. You can paste these on your t-shirts also. Not only t-shirts, but also you can decorate your home with these lovely butterflies. You can attach these on your bed, on your doors, on your mirror, or your college or school bags. If you like my video, if you like, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends. Take care, bye bye.